Stand up for me nice and tall, ladies. Chin is up. You got to say it like you mean it, okay? Ready? Are you okay? Ready? On 2, 1, 2.
I am smart. I am beautiful. I am strong.
Nice, nice. Give yourselves a hand. That was perfect. That was perfect. Have a seat, ladies. So those are the things you want to remember throughout your life. Because like I said, there will be times that you won't always feel smart. There will be times that you won't feel pretty. It's unfortunate, but it happens to all of us. You know that happens to all of us, right?
Yes.
And there will be times that you won't feel so strong. And it is okay. But as fast as you can, as soon as you can, remind yourself of your strength. Just by saying these words. I say these all the time, every day, all day. I said them in my car this morning coming over here to see you. I say a few other ones too. I put 2 on the other side that I also love, that I like to say. I am enough and I have enough. That's a good one for you because a lot of you want more. I remember somebody telling me when we first started, I want a puppy. I want new shoes. I want this. You have enough. You do realize that, right? Yes.
Yes? Yes.
So these are things you want to do to remind yourself to cope with issues sometimes that you may have. Because all of us have issues. I've seen all of you display some of these emotions, even in class. I've seen some of you upset. Anaya was upset the time she had to stand up, right? I've seen young women, I've seen her sad once, right? You were upset one day about something, right? And that is okay because we all feel these things. And you're always extremely happy. You're always extreme. I haven't seen you really do it, other than I think you got in trouble once and I saw you kind of get aggravated about that. And Raven as well. But we all have these emotions different times in our lives, and that is okay. Learning how to deal with them, cope with them, is what you're responsible for. It won't always be your parents' responsibility to make you feel better. Does that make sense?
Yes.
It would be up to you. We understand?
Yes.
Okay, so who is this again?
Angela Davis.
Hey, ladies, you have any questions for me?
No.
I remember one of you saying last time you really love coming to empowerment. Why do you like coming to empowerment?
Because
Oh, wait, hold on. I want to hear all of this. I want to hear all of it. Yes, ma'am. You can put your hands down. I'm going to get everybody. So I want you to figure it out, too, on the end, because you didn't have your hand up. Find something good about the class and tell me about it, okay? So I'll come to you in a minute. Yes, ma'am.
Because it inspires you to be who you are.
Yeah?
And it gives you confidence. And you can do whatever you want. Don't tell nobody.
I didn't say don't tell nobody. Yes, ma'am.
it's fun.
It's fun? Why is it fun for you?
I don't know, it's just fun.
Yeah? Well, I'm glad you like it. What about you?
I like empowerment because you show us different lessons and it's fun, and I like when you're honey shine.
Yeah? You like when I'm here? Oh, I love that. Well, I'll be here again tomorrow to check you guys out. Yes, ma'am.
I like empowerment because you teach us new things every time you come here.
Good, good. I love your fingernails. I didn't see that. Wow, nice. Yes, ma'am. In the back.
I love empowerment because it's fun, and it's fun because you teach us more things to be confident in ourselves and believe in ourselves.
Good, good, good. What about you, Miss Raven?
I like empowerment because you give us, you tell us new things about ourselves, and you give us confidence about ourselves, so we don't think that ourselves is ugly or nothing.
Good, good, good. You?
It makes me. I like empowerment because it feels it's confident for me and smart, where I won't have to be mad and angry at ourselves and to our siblings, and it feels like a little smart because you get to learn more things more than you do in school.
Nice. Give me a high five for that one. I like that. You made that happen. Nice, nice. Well, I'm glad you guys like it because I like being here with you.